Hi, short video to show the condition of this Miele Cat and Dog TT5000 2200 watt vacuum cleaner. So it comes in full working order, comes with a bush bar head, 3 Miele tools, the hose, telescopic metal handle and the hose handle. Move all this out of the way. The actual vacuum cleaner is in good working order. It does have used marks, as you can see. Marks, little chips of the silver paint here. Comes with a brand new bag, a new motor filter, try and do this one-handed. The tools fit inside here. I'll just plug it in to show it working, or you can hear it working, you'll see it working. Very powerful. More liable to suck the actual carpet up the hose. I do have other Miele vacuum cleaners in stock. Please take a look. Thanks for watching. Any questions, just ask.